Here she is, and I got one of the new Power Pole Move PVs. It has a 72-inch shaft, which is one of the reasons that I waited for it. Really easy motor to use. It's super, super heavy duty. I mean, where a lot of the gears for turning and stuff are plastic, this is basically more automotive style, so it's going to last, you know, much, much longer. If you look real closely at the unit, it's just high quality stuff and super quiet. It's got a fantastic anchor mode on it where it's extremely accurate. The remotes on it, actually I've got two remotes. One has a charging station that I just hang the remote in my boat, so I always have a newly charged one at my fingertips. But to be real truthful, I'm into the 4th month and even in some cold water use here on my other remote, and I have not run out of power for it. So it's, you know, the one thing here is you'll never have to worry about going out and having a remote that doesn't work, because between the two, you can keep one always on the charger and one always fully charged. So that is really cool, really cool. And it's got a lot of cool features. You can get remote buttons for anchoring, you can get remote buttons for continuous on, that you can just step on, you can put them on your floor. There's all kinds of really neat things about this motor. But one of the things I like, you know, it's hard for me to get a motor up and down now with this muscle disease that I have. And this thing is so easy to get up and down. I really don't have any problems. So check it out, man. It's a heck of a motor, and it's made by Power Pole. It's called the Power Pole PV.